Hi, I'm Cliff from Energy Wide, and I want to invite you on a journey today with our visionary gelato maker Eugene, who's been experiencing high power costs as his business has grown. Today, we will be installing an Energy Wide solar solution, and you'll see how the system goes together. But more importantly, Eugene's been working on a new flavour, and I want to get myself a taste of that.
Oh, good evening.
Hey Eugene,
Come on in.
been a while.
It has been a while.
Yeah, what a great opportunity it is today.
Yeah.
So keen to get this done. How you been since I seen you last?
Oh, look, things have really exploded in terms of manufacturing with the gelato. Yeah, we're doing a couple of thousand litres a month now.
Well, I even know myself from looking at your bill originally, you were using about 100 kilowatt hours a day, which was a lot.
Yeah.
And now you're getting up to around about 150 to 170 kilowatt hours a day.
That's correct. And also, I think at the end of the day, we're running these 24/7. Having some sort of backup in case of a power outage. We need to make sure that our stock remains nice and cold 24/7.
We've got great opportunity here. We've got energy security through the no-arc inverters and Power Plus, and energy production through the REC alphas. So that's going to give us an opportunity to, one, protect you, like insurance policy, and two, it's going to save you. We know you're going to save, $5,000 a year. So,
Wow.
Yeah, so that's going to make a difference.
Brilliant. Mate, I am over the moon. I can't wait for us to get our first bill after the solar goes in.
It's going to be awesome, I tell you.
Wonderful.
It sounds like the boys are here, so let's get into it.
Oh, wonderful. All right, thank you.
Wow, Jake, they're looking really good, man. The boys are going to need you up on the roof. Swifty's having a bit of trouble with some of the tilts. Can you help him?
Yeah, too easy.
Cheers, man. So Jake's been working on the no-arc inverter. He's done a pretty good job here. A lot of people think the inverter's not that important, but it's really the guts of the system. It's what takes the energy from the roof and converts it to the AC for your house, and also stores it to the battery in this case. No-arc inverters, they've got a bit of grunt. They parallel together to give you a greater output, even in backup mode. So they're going to pair really well with the Power Plus in that scenario. They've got their own app, the My No-arc app, which is an integrated system so you can see each unit online. But the great thing with No-arc is they've got local support. I can't stress this enough. It's more important with the battery system that you have local support. But let me tidy up down here and then I'll join you guys on the roof. So we're up here on the roof. The boys have already been hard at work. They've got all the feet in place and started to put in all the rails and so forth. Now, one of the questions that I often get asked is how do you attach the system to the roof? Well, that's where this tile interface comes into play. It actually screws into the truss, which is under the tiles. It sits above the bottom tile like this one here, and then the top tile sits on top, and that seals where water can't get into. And this is the new black anodized U-rail system from SRAC. What I love about this system is the quick and ease of which it attaches to the tile interface and the U-channel for great cable management. Traditional systems, you'll be cable tying to the outside and inevitably they end up on the roof if not done properly. But with this system, you can't fail. It drops into the channel like so, and in areas where you've got to get to one array from another, we've got this lid that just clips straight on there and slides to wherever you want. And from a customer's point of view, it's all black anodized, it's sleek and blends into the roof better with the panels, rather than something that stands out like the 80s. A great system, and I recommend it for all installs. But what I want to show you next is going to get me off this hot roof. Okay, this is what it's really all about, gelato. And I've been waiting for this all day. So what's the secret to making good gelato?
So we need 3 components to make great gelato. Firstly, you need great ingredients. So we use local Australian Jersey milk, local organic cream, and as much as we can, local Aussie fruits. Secondly, you need great equipment. All these is top of the line Italian equipment. Thirdly, we need a great team. When you talk about food, and you can taste the love, you can taste the passion. I think that goes for any business, and that's why you're here. You know, we believe that we need that same passion, that same energy, and that same trust.
As I always say, without trust, you have no relationship.
Exactly right. That's right.
I actually trust your gelato above all other gelatos. I've tasted many gelatos. This is definitely my favourite. But you've got this little secret batch that's going. Do you reckon I can get a bit of that?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Here's something we prepared for you earlier.
Yes.
There you go.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Gonna love this, my friend.
Big scoop.
All right, there we go.
Bit rude of me, isn't it?
No way. Extra special one for you.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Here you go.
Hey, good. I'm sorry, man. I really need you to come take the set, please.
Mate, I think you need it that side, so...
Swifty!
So, Cliff, I think we've been getting through these a bit too quick, and we need another pallet on site soon. I was thinking about sending Will to go pick it up.
I want to send Will. I'll give Andreas a call and see if they're ready to pick up.
Cool. I'll leave it to you.
Cliff, good morning.
Good morning,
What
mate.
can I do for you, mate?
Oh, mate, the boys are ripping through these panels, so I need to get another pallet down here. Is it ready for pickup yet?
It is ready for pickup. What about, do you want me to deliver it if your boys are busy on the roofs?
Yeah, that'd be perfect, mate. That'd be perfect. All right, I'll see you in about, an hour?
No worries, I'll see you then.
See you soon, mate. Awesome thing about Andreas from Baywa, people often ask me what supply to use. Baywa every time. They've always got your back, you know. Things like this cost a lot of money, and they're going to save me time on the job and time with the guys. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go look at the rest of the job. Every solar system needs a quality storage solution, and that's why I've gone with the Power Plus. Jake's put this together really well, and we've got these 4 modules in here giving us 15 kilowatt hours of storage. It's Australian made, 10-year warranty, local support. You can't beat this system. It's easy to install. I love installing these because of the easy flow that you get into, and it's scalable. So our customers can start off small, in this case the 15 kilowatt hours, but it can be expanded out 200 kilowatt hours if you want. But what it's really about is energy security. So in the next blackout, Eugene's going to have peace of mind knowing that his freezers are still running. But we need energy to store, so let's get up on the roof and see what the guys are doing there. Hey guys, we're up here on the roof and look at an awesome job the boys have been doing. They've worked through the heat. They're really smashing it out. They've got the REC Alpha Pure R here. The reason we're going with the Alpha Pure R is basically it's aesthetically pleasing and it's high performing. So we've got a full black backing sheet, blends in beautiful with the roof. Just looks amazing. I really think that every home should have these on there. In fact, I've got them on the front of my house. They've got a heterojunction cell, which basically that means higher performance in hot temperatures. The other advantage of that cell is it also reduces degradation, which means that you've got a panel that's still producing 92% at the end of the 25-year warranty. And it's probably going to perform quite well from there on in. They make the property and the roof look amazing. They make this project look amazing. And I can't wait for you to see the finished product. So that's it. A brand new solar system installed by the Energy Wide team. They've really done well here with the weather conditions. We've had rain, we've had heat, but the boys have worked through it. And doesn't it just look beautiful? It's a gorgeous looking system with the all black mounting and the alpha panels there. And we know that Eugene's gonna have a system that's gonna last him into the future. And you know what? That's good for you and I, because that means more gelato for us. So let's get Eugene in here so he can check out his system. Come in, Eugene. What do you think?
That looks absolutely spectacular. Love it, absolutely love it. Wow.
29 kilowatts of solar, just a little bit over, pumping through those no-arc inverters, pumping their Power Plus energy storage system and providing you energy security into the future.
Mate, thank you so much. You know what, Cliff? I reckon this calls for a celebration. Who wants some gelato?
Hey boys, gelato! This is what I've been waiting for.
Come on, boys, get into it.
Eugene, you are the maestro. Hang on a minute. Is this durian?